are you? What brought you here?
What are you saying? What sort of question is that? Were you not the one who brought me home last night?
Me? Go. Get out. Go. Go. Get out. Tony, don't kill me, oh. Tony, finish me. Tony,
Gamal, how many times did I call you?
101 times.
When will you stop messing up? When?
What do you mean by that?
How can you embarrass Priscilla just like that?
Embarrass? How do you mean?
You're asking me how do I mean? She told me that you practically chased her out of your room this morning. I don't understand you.
Hey, oh, now I understand. You are angry with me because I threw at that whore you fixed me up with, right?
She's not a whore. After all, I'm doing you a favor. It's been past months now you have not blown up some stems. I've told you that without number.
Hey. Point of closure, Tony. You did not do me any favor. You should know that blowing off some steam is a list in my priority list.
But we were all over her last night. You enjoy her. You are ravishing how you are.
I was drunk, so you took advantage of me.
Sorry, my dear. I took advantage of you.
Yeah.
It's alright. That's your own business. Just the form with the go anyhow.
What's the problem? I have noticed that you've been moody. What's going on?
I just want to know where our relationship is headed.
What do you mean by that? I don't understand.
Babe, it's been more than 2 years. You haven't said anything about marriage, engagement, nothing.
Listen, I have plans. Don't worry. Why are you getting yourself worked up? Come on. I know what I'm doing. How you doing? Have the guts to just walk past out.
I don't know, babe. For real, I don't know.
Oh, this is your farm. This is that's your cash meal. I'll give you everything. Choose everything I delivered it. Surprise. No. They were shocked. They were shocked. Yes,
well, about you. Yeah, take this one till we hold yourself.
Boss.
Oh, babe, what's up? I'm good. And you? I'm okay. This is why you're worried today. Maybe it's Valentine. So what's up now? How have you been? Oh, good. It's good. Babe. Now that I'm sure that Osara is no longer faithful to me, I think it's better for me to open my hand to a new relationship. So sorry about that. Thank you. That reminds me. Did you still ask Peter the ultimate question?
Oh,
That? Yes, I did. I asked him.
You did?
I asked him where our relationship was headed.
So,
He was about answering me when one little boy came with the notes written on it. I love you in a way that I can't explain. It's not funny.
I'm sorry. A little boy. How?
I don't know. I guess he got the wrong identity. Like, that letter was not for me.
Are you serious? Okay, but that shouldn't stop him from telling you if he wants you as a wife or not.
Who? Peter? Oh, please. Someone was already accusing me of cheating on him. Let's talk about something else, I beg.
This is funny. Wow. This is a whole new twist. Girlfriend? Now what? Alright. What's up for the girls now?
Nothing, Joe. Who are you and why do you have a face gaze on me?
Sorry about that. I'm your neighbor and I wish to make your acquaintance.
Well, that's a very weird way of making acquaintanceship.
Name is...
Oh, please save it.
How far are you? So this is the girl I've been making to go gaga these days.
Tony, what are you doing here? And what did you say?
I've told you countless times. Come to me, let me lecture you, let me show you the way. Let me lecture you how to get to girls. Not this pattern you are using.
Take me to a question.
My guy, see, I know say you are in love with this girl. But come to me, I'll help you out. Huh?
Dr. Koship, allow me to play my card the way I like.
Like this? I should allow you to play your card like this. You don't work now. Look at the humiliation she gave to you now. Look at it.
But how far would that get me, considering she already has a boyfriend?
My brother, my guy, see, let me tell you something. Even the queen can be taken away from the king if the right method is applied. That's why I'm here as your friend. I can show you the way so you can get what you want. Yes.
Sure, so?
That's what I'm here. I can do it for you. Anything for you.
Not be to hear the talker with mouth.
Anything for you. Let's go to your place first of all. I will help you.
So many things in my mind. Get within I don't the reason. The thing don't they bother my mind. I just say make I follow now, make I let you know. I dey think of how we would make solid bar. I don't like the kind of life we would live.
Correct. So, which kind of job will give us that kind of solid bar you talk about?
I dey talk of bar where go give us millions. Bar where we go hit, our life will change.
Okay. Where will we come hit? Because the way to explain now, that money big now. You dey get where will we hit? You get that kind of money once.
Bank now. There are many banks.
Banks. You see that? A nice idea. But that don't be the place when I dey think. That don't be the place where I dey channel my energy go. No bank.
Okay. That is nice. Where your office say, okay, where be the place when they your mind say what your own?
Yes. I dey reason borrow the change.
Jesus Christ. Why they forgive all these people since now? I they forgive all these people since. That one not legit matter now.
You see now, if you talk of bank, the security go too high. Bank na good idea, but you no go fit beat that security. You know, say before you enter bank, you see machine. And you get some kind of people where they stand near bank. Where you won't see tools, where you won't to go overshadow people. But you see those breed changes, they lose guard. They go your day where they are kaftan like this and they go press millions for body, you know. They just to chance one collect them.
But wait, I hope you don't go check the area so that the area is clear.
For me to even talk calm, I don't think calm. Everywhere clear. I just for us to map out as it could be. Listen, for the information, all those people say, find out what they did with the sound there. I they tell you, I know what they did.
Oh, you're bad guy. Oh, you're there, no waste. Ah, go.
It's
so.
Yeah.
You never reach.
Guy, wait, cheese, more na
Let me
cheese.
come up for here now.
Now you love her, we love her. Just cheese. She will soon come out.
Oh yeah, now, Mr. Loverboy. Now they waiting.
This is my opportunity to sling the shot. I told you.
I'll go, man. My guy, see what your fellow man do you now. I told you, let's live here. You said no. Can you see yourself now? You just relate yourself by yourself. Come on, they go as they want Mr. Lover in it. More they go. More they go. Now your fellow man say they point for ground, scatter you. There they wait. You get a sense. Your fellow man come carry.
Hey babe, so now you're smiling. I don't suspect you. You are no clear at all. So, how was your acting?
Just good. Guess what?
He finally proposed.
Very good job. He promised to buy me a car. I want a car very soon.
Oh my God! Wow! I'm so happy for you. Congratulations, dear.
Very good job. Go.
Apply all the method I told you.
Don't worry.
No for come.
You don't trust me.
I'm waiting
Sure,
for
man,
you.
sure,
I'm
sure,
waiting
man.
for
Come,
you.
come. Just.
Babe, hurry now.
Oh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, please, is Sister Mona Lisa in?
Yes, any problem?
No. I'm just a neighbor. I came to preach the gospel to her.
Oh, okay. I think it will be some other time because we are actually on our way out. Yes. Yeah, just maybe come back.
Honey, who are you talking to?
The preacher is leaving already. Please come out, let's go.
Alpha.
Guy, let's go.
How did it go?
Let's go.
How far? Just me. How it happen?
Let's go. Briefly, you don't worry.
Wait. Did she talk to you readily or what?
I'll brief you on this guy.
Those guys. But these guys, their movement no pure.
Oh boy.
Their movement no clear at all.
I'm not trusting you. Let's intervene. Let's
What? Intervene.
Guy, don't be a coward. They have no gun. I'm just really nice.
I should not be a coward. But knife can draw out blood. If you have decided to kill yourself by yourself, rest in peace, Mr. Romeo.
What's going on?
For me, I'm leaving.
You just speak for nothing.
Thank you.
So Peter, you think you can double cross us? You think you can double cross me, Judas?
Where is that money?
Money.
What are you talking about?
Listen, I don't even know them. I think they're like, maybe there's a mix up somewhere. I don't know these guys. I don't know them. I don't. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Tell her who you are! Peter! Hey! Yes, hello, officer. Yes, I've been attacked. Yes, in my girlfriend's house. Exactly, yes. Please come right away. All right. Thank you.
Peter! God!
I find it very hard to believe you.
I swear. He owes me some money and refused to pay. That is why we went to threaten him.
Then why didn't you report him to the appropriate authority?
We didn't because he will deny owing us. And we have no evidence to support the allegation.
Okay. Mr. Judas is a carrier. Now you tell me, from the depth of your heart, the truth. And remember that only the truth can set you free.
Officer, the truth is that we were friends until he snatched my girlfriend away from me. And I came to revenge by taking my girlfriend away from him.
Which girl are we even talking about? Is it the one with whom he was with when you assaulted him?
Yes, the same girl.
You claim that you came to rob them.
She's a liar. She's lying. Officer, that girl has unfaithfulness in her bloodstream. That girl is a big fat liar.
Intervening in a fracas whose origin you know nothing about, that's stupidity.
There is nothing stupid about helping a fellow who seems to be in a tight corner.
And what if weapon is involved?
It was just nerves.
Just nerves.
Yeah.
Let me ask you, what if your server of rock missed the target?
I don't know. Anyway, I didn't.
You didn't miss. David, the killer of lawyers. Clap for yourself. Thank you.
Mr. Magnus Peter.
Officer.
After going through all the statements given regarding this case, it will be very hard for us to draw conclusions. First, you claim they were assassins. And your girlfriend said they were thieves, while one of them claimed that you owed him money.
Me? That's a lie. I don't know him. I don't even know them.
Yet, one of them still claimed that the quarrel was as a result of woman issue.
Officer, that's a lie. I don't know them.
Anyway, the fact still remains that you were assaulted. And if you want to press charges, you can prepare the files and forward it to the court.
Fine, but you see, I don't want to press charges. I just want them to sign an undertaking. I want to be safe.
That would be good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Did it? I hope you understand the implication of this undertaking.
Yes, sir.
Violation of any condition in this undertaking is going to attract a steep penalty.
Okay, sir. But sir, what if he tries to take advantage of us because of this undertaking?
All you need to do is report him. Just call the police. Anyway, I will give you my number. You call me if need be.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
We'll just walk out like this straight up. Insert that thing. Once we just put that phone like if my head gas go from show. You don't understand every other place they cover.
What about you?
Yeah. Now they tell you that from here we will start, and from here we will spray that thing.
That means I'm there for travel.
The hell? Because this road no dey busy. You don't understand. So if you trans person from here, you overtake him.
So what about you?
The gas will take over.
Clear. If the gas fall out, then travel.
And then this thing.
But when they see this plan, now we need extra. You get?
Extra.
Yeah, now check out. We need babe for you.
Oh, good morning, Mr.
I'm Gamale. My friend coming Gamale. What do I own the honor of this visit?
I actually came to say thank you for the stunt you pulled today.
Oh, that's not. You know, for you, I think I'll be willing to stop a bullet.
I'm flattered. Well, thank you so much for coming around, because if you had not come, only God knows what would have happened.
You know, I particularly came ready to confess something to you.
Confess what exactly?
I wanted to tell you, I wanted to tell you I love you.
Mr. Gamalin, do you know I have a serious boyfriend?
I know, but my spirit tells me we are destined for each other.
I think I have to take my leave. I'll see you soon then.
Okay, I will look forward to that.
I don't know. His brashness freaked me out.
Wow, the romantic episode. Lucky you.
Please stop. What do you mean by lucky me? Don't even start right now.
On a serious note, it's not every time you get to meet with a guy that is ready to take punches and throw punches for you. Seriously.
I have Peter.
Oh, that. The question is Peter ready to stop a bullet for you?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Please, enough. Let's forget this whole thing. Stop adding more wood to the fire, please.
Let me be frank, girl. I think I like that guy.
You like who? My neighbor, Gamalin. Please stop. You don't even know this guy. Just stop.
I know. If you like, you use your mouth to talk anything.
Please stop. You don't even know him. But I don't even understand. He said he loves you.
Now that you have succeeded in telling her the way you feel, how do you feel now?
I feel like a clown.
You feel like a clown. You should feel free because I've already told her your mind.
God, don't be so. I messed up.
How?
Because she came here to express her gratitude for extricating her from a precarious circumstance. So I did not allow her to do that.
I believe that you are like a farmer who took advantage of the first rain to plant a seed.
And when the second rain does not come on time, the seed dies.
The seed will only die because the farmer refused to irrigate the farm. He refused to do its work.
Your counsel can lead a man into a very big guy.
My God. I know what you are trying to say. And I believe, and I will still insist, that you did the right thing. You have sowed a seed of love in her. Soon it will germinate. Yes. Yeah, man, follow my footsteps.
This is an EMP device, electromagnetic pulse. It interferes with waves and any electronically controlled device. It can interrupt cell phones within a 100-meter radius and scrambles every satellite connection within the range.
Wow. All this your grammar where you dey blow. Wait till you dey try talk if I understand you well. Say if you own this device, everybody phone where they are around that area will lose network. Now wait till you dey try talk.
Yes. They automatically lost signal.
Okay. You they talk many grammar here since now. What of the CCTV?
It disables CCTV and wipes out every stored image captured by the closed circuit camera.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Show us how they did it, Rora. No, make it disable our network. Off our network.
Don't let her go shop.
May no go shop you.
Where they shop? Just the phone.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, sorry. I tried knocking, but the door was open. That was why I barged in.
It's okay.
And you must be Gamalin, I suppose.
Sure. Who am I talking to?
Okay. I am Messalina, and I'm a friend to Mona Lisa.
Oh, I see. How is she?
She's beautiful. She told me how your timely intervention saved her.
Oh, that's nothing. That's nothing.
Seriously?
Yeah.
To you, it's nothing. But to me, it makes you one in a million. When she told me, I said to myself, this guy of such a remarkable character is worthy of my acquaintance.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Wow.
Thank you.
This is beautiful.
Oh, thank you. You like it, right?
Seriously beautiful. I love
thanks,
it.
thanks.
Wow. You must be a man of so many talents.
Well, actually, I'm an artist.
Wow. Oh, that's good. Nice one.
Thank you.
I just can't wait for next week to come.
Next week? Why?
Have you forgotten? The car you promised me.
Oh, I am so sorry, my bad. But you've not even told me the kind of car that you want. We have different brands of car. We have Mercedes, we have Toyota, we have Honda. What do you want?
Venza.
Venza, that's a Toyota product. Toyota Venza.
No. No. Any SUV will do.
Any SUV. Okay. Just allow me make the choice for you. I'll get you a sexy SUV.
Thank you, babe.
I know what you want.
I know you do.
How I wish I was one a beautiful girl like Selena threw herself at me.
Tony.
Oh my
Tony. You seem to be forgetting that she wasn't my first choice.
And so what? And so what? Mona Lisa, who is your first choice, is she more beautiful than Miss Selena? Is she?
Tony.
Is she?
Tony. It's not always about beauty, desires, feelings. What matters is love. Love!
Mister. Well, you might be right in a way, but as a realistic like me, when the desirable is not available, the available become the desirable. Yeah. Oh, for this, I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, I'm telling you honestly.
Wow. Love not day. Love not day.
Babe. Hello? Like network is bad. Okay, I'll be around tomorrow. Okay, fine. I'll just wait for your call. Okay, bye.
Did you see Peter? He just left.
Yeah. Oh, I saw him on my way here.
Oh,
Babe.
okay.
Guess where I'm coming from?
Where?
Just guess.
Now, how am I supposed to know places you go to? Tell me, Joe.
Okay, fine. I'm coming from Gamali's apartment.
What? You went to Gamali's apartment? What for?
Of course, to gain his acquaintance.
Oh, please, 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 don't even start. Because the you I know wouldn't just go to a man's room to gain acquaintanceship. What for?
Never fun now. Now you ask this kind of question. Sure, take him easy. Of course. There's an ulterior motive.
I know. So hit me.
Okay. Gamalin is a nice guy. He's caring. He's an artist. And I'm in love with him.
You're in love with him? One you barely know.
Like in love, I'm in love with him. Babe, you know, it's a thunderbolt kind of love. You strike once, this is the heart.
So you're trying to tell me now that you are striking by the thunderbolt of love?
Babe, how far now?
Just so unbelievable.
Relax, babe, help me.
If I tell you this, you won't believe, but I want you to break down this guy. It's something that you need to listen to.
I know it should be a confirmed.
You understand?
Bros, good day.
How are you? Come close now. How are you? How are you doing? Okay, I want you to tell us what you told me about my old friend, Peter, the Ironside. I want my friend here, John, to hear from the horse's mouth. So tell us what you told me.
Speak.
He rented an EMP device from me.
Electromagnetic pulse. Is it trying cyber attack?
He wants to pull a job which requires the disablement of surveillance, communication, and alarm system.
That must be big. Do you know when?
Not specifically, but I think next week.
Next week. Okay. You can go.
Thank you.
It's alright, thank you.
Oh, next week.
Next week, yeah. We just need to do something about this. This is next week.
Next week.
See what we can do about this.
I really can't believe you're making me do this right now. Please. Hi. Hi, it's me, Mona. Oh, sorry, Mona Lisa. How are you today? Okay, can I please see you later today? Like, Can I please see you later today? Like, let's meet at Central Park. Okay, see you later, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
I can just imagine you're making me do this right now.
Very good. Blessed are the matchmakers, for they shall receive bounty of husband in this life and hereafter.
Oh, love matters don't come. Sister, you preach. Have a good job. Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll be right back.
Go. He's waiting. Go. Like, fuck up. Oh, God. Don't kill me.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet again.
The pleasure is mine.
Hi. But I assume you are with Mona Lisa, right?
Oh,
She will not be coming.
Oh.
I actually asked her to call you.
Okay, but I don't understand.
Actually, Mana is not interested in you. And I think I'm in love with you.
Don't worry. Okay. It's okay. I understand. I like your shoe.
Thank you.
I like your hair. Look at this thing.
Oh, thank you very much.
If you don't mind, can we take a stroll?
Okay. Anywhere nice, be okay. Yeah.
They follow us. See? Ha! Since when you notice that?
I don't notice that. So.
What you not got the way? No, go smoke all this thing for come on. Come. No, man, I agree with Lamba. No, what's the worry? You not the way body scratch you. No, my guy, me believe me. Guys, quiet. I agree with Lamba. Quiet. Thank you. You say this guy only follow us.
Hello, Inspector Saze on the line. Who am I speaking with? Oh, Judas Iscariot. What? Information? Oh, that's good. That's nice of you. Patriotic Nigerian, that's good.
Hey, babe. Yeah, happy and you're back. Yeah.
What happened? Yeah. So how did it go? Tell me. What happened?
What's what happened today? Today is the most exciting date I've ever heard in ages. Oh, it was so romantic.
I can see. So, where did you guys go? For a movie? Guys went for a drink or something?
It took me to the most simplest place in town, but yet it blew my mind.
Oh,
Gambling
blew your mind. Okay, that's good. That's okay. Okay, that's good. Please stop now. I don't understand. Like,
no, I'm just happy.
Okay, good to see you this way.
Seriously, girlfriend was so sweet.
I know. He's an artist. They have strong imaginations and good sense of beauty.
That's true.
Yeah, love you for you, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Problem now is I know the feel see the guy face where. Hold on.
Oh God! Tony, what's the meaning of this now? Can't you see I'm busy?
My brother. Yeah, Mali, my man. See, at this point of your relationship, I'm offering you a gift. As a good friend, you need this thing at this point.
Who told you I need such a gift? Who told you?
But you need protection. You need protection, except you want to marry Masalina in case if you get her pregnant. Yes, Tony, you need it.
Tony, in a good relationship, everything must not be about sex.
Mr. Romantic.
Carry your thing good aside.
You need it. I will keep it for you here in case you change your mind.
This guy, your matter. Your matter too hard.
I don't know.
Humble down. You bring that man down. Wait, Ito. No, Ito, okay. Relax. Put that thing for her. Bro, think about this one. If I hear P before you say ta, now you the training. Ito. Humble this man. Ito. I said humble this man.
I'm humble.
If I hear P before you say ta, I don't give you.
No. Yes, sir.
Just close your mouth. Close her. Shut your mouth for her.
Yes, sir.
No, they don't need to. Okay, sir. Steady your place. Anything you can bleed. Die in here.
Yes, sir.
Easy talk.
So, the pictures. How did it go?
Went well.
Did you still do that exact pose I told you? Did you?
Of course I did.
I trust you, girl.
Bad girl.
No, you are.
Thank you.
Forgot to tell you. Peter called me a while ago.
Okay, what did he say? What's up, ma?
He said I should get ready that we are going to get my car when he comes back.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow, this is so great. So he's giving you the car today?
Yes, today. Like,
wow.
I'm owning my car today.
My friend. Congratulations.
Thank you.
No, not to you, to the both of us. Because the car belongs to us. And anytime I'm going out, just come in, take the key, and go out.
Madam, you have Gamalink. Tell him to buy you your car.
How far now?
This one is mine.
How far now?
No, this one is mine. No. Don't even think.
Look.
On your knees.
How may we help you, sir?
We have a warrant to search these premises.
A warrant? What?
Yes, a warrant.
What do you mean?
Because Mr. Maximus Peter was just arrested. They carried out a heist in Binadua Bureau de Change.
Hey, Peter?
Yes.
No. You're mistaken.
And we learned that he frequents this place. So that is why we obtained the warrant to come and search residence.
My apartment?
Yes.
Peter, no.
Just about this.
Constable Sani, come in.
Where's my phone?
Rally my man. Alpha. I'm supposed to be with your babe now. What's the happen? What's going on? I should escort you to the station. Wait. Don't tell me say you don't get contract for a radio station or television. Which of them? Police station. To do what? I don't understand. Can you explain to me what you... My God, I didn't go my woman place now. Huh?
I still can't believe that by this time yesterday, I was the subject of investigation.
My dear, some days are like that. You know, in life, one cannot determine the kind of car life plays to him or her. So just have to cheer up, it's okay.
It's over. You have been granted bail because...
Granted bail? They expect me to report back to the police station tomorrow.
What?
They said they want to be really sure to know if I'm not guilty by association.
Can you imagine that nonsense? Guilty by association. Hey. Do we even have such crime in the book of law?
My dear, never can tell. And besides, the police are trying to carry out their normal routine exercise. So let's allow them to do their job.
Just have some looking into the police. The atmosphere is intensely gloomy. I think we need to loosen up a bit. Yeah?
Well, I just hope they follow due protocol and do the right thing.
It's alright, my dear. Guys, it's okay. Let's cheer up and forget about this issue of police at the time. Just calm yourself, put yourself together. It's alright. My dear, cheer up. It's okay.
I'm afraid we have to detain you a little longer.
Officer. Why if I may ask?
Because your friend claimed that you were part of the heist.
He's lying! He's lying! And you know it.
Investigation is still on, so we can't be very sure.
Officer, if I were a part of the heist, why would I be the one to call the police?
According to him, you called the police because you were not satisfied with the percentage of the loot allotted to you.
Preposterous! That is preposterous!
Though, you know, we have to follow protocols. The investigation is still on, and we have to ascertain the veracity of his claim.
Officer, I never knew the police can never be trusted.
No, don't say that. The police is your friend.
The police is not my friend, and you will never be my friend.
Sir, the criminal has confessed everything.
Does they confess everything?
Yes, sir.
Which means they told you the people who gave them the equipment they used for the robbery.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now get some boys moving quickly to arrest them.
Yes, sir.
Hello? It's not Gamaliel. It's me. What happened to him? I met your friend, fast asleep, fully clothed. Where did you guys go to? I wonder the occasion. Pre-birthday badge. Okay, bye. How foolish of me to have not noticed that Peter was a criminal. Oh! I wasted 2 years of my life for that bastard! I'm stupid! I'm stupid! I'm stupid! Oh, this is not happening to me.
rejected respectable suitors for him. Oh no! What I do? No, this can be happening to me. This can be happening. Hi.
Oh, Mona. You finally came?
Yes.
Oh, come. I love you, Mona. Oh, my sweet Mona. Oh, Mona. Oh, Melissa. I love you. Oh, sweet Mona. I can't stop loving you, Mona.
Stop!
So it was a dream.
How dare you? You dare dream of my friend while I sleep by your side?
No, it wasn't my fault. It just came. I didn't control the dream out.
What nonsense!
No, please, it's not my fault. I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
Please.
Hands off me, you! Ben.
I can't believe that you just allow a relationship less than a month to just go into wrong. Simply because you are still in love with your past relationship.
Tony, you are not helping matters. The simple task that I ask of you is that you should help me talk to her. Placate her for me.
But you asked Mona Lisa to help you to do that. Is she not equal to the task? Is she not?
Gamil just left.
Please tell me something else.
He said you're not picking up his calls.
Why should I do that?
This guy loves you.
For heaven's sake, that's a big lie. He does not love me. He's in love with someone else.
See, you know sometimes these guys can be funny, okay? Just give him a second chance.
Please, Mona. I wonder why you are mediating without knowing the kind of offense he committed.
Babe, everyone deserves a second chance, okay? Just give him a second chance.
Please tell that to someone else, not me.
So difficult. I like this.
I beg. I came here against my better judgment.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm ready to give us a second chance. Try and make things work.
I don't know how to thank you. I don't know how to express myself. Let's go out for dinner out.
I don't need a makeup dinner. This is what I want.
You mean I should make you a portrait?
Paint a portrait of me while I pose for you.
Well, what are you waiting for?
Gentlemen, your friend Peter has finally agreed that you were not part of the heist.
Officer, I want to correct an impression. Peter was never our friend. Never was.
But there's something else too.
Officer, something like what?
Your friend claimed that you used to be members of the same gang. And that you committed a lot of crimes together. He has even promised to give us specifics.
That is the most nonsense I've ever heard.
Officer, don't tell me you believed him.
But I'm afraid we still have to detain you a little longer.
At this point, I think I need a lawyer.
Jesus.
Shut up! Mama, you have done the worst. And this is the last stroke that broke the camel's back. We are done. Stop! Touch me.
Oh, babe. What? Talk now, what is wrong?
Kamali has done it again.
How do you mean?
Kamali does not love me.
Oh.
Seriously. Never has he imagined that I posed for him and he take a portrait of me.
Babe, you know, every relationship does not just go smoothly. You understand, yeah?
I don't understand. He humiliated me.
How?
I actually posed for him. Why he take a portrait of me but instead he took a portrait of the woman he loves. Imagine that.
I'm sorry. Oh, that's so heartbreaking. But why will he do that? I said he loves you. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. So sorry. So sorry, okay? So sorry. You don't have to be like this. Let's stop. Sorry. Drew me instead of you. Oh, babes. I'm really sorry. I never meant to be the source of your pain. I'm sorry.
There's nothing to be sorry about. It's not your fault.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Give me your hand. Come on. Yeah. He loves you.